Recreate the look that I had before, but make it look nice.
How many times you've done balayage before?
I think this will be the 4th time.
The 4th time?
Yeah, I've done it for a long time.
And last time was it?
A year ago.
A year ago?
Yeah, and then I grew my hair out to make it healthy again. But I want it to look healthy. Now it looks kind of damaged.
Okay. Now when I'm looking at it, I can tell that in the very old balayage, the balayage has been pushed to a high density blonde as a quantity and as a lightness. Then after that, they shifted to an area where it's a little bit more blended, but because this is too blonde, doesn't look visible. Now I like what I see here, but I think it can, as a quantity, it can be a little bit more.
Yeah.
So, but in order to do that, because the minute I paint the balayage here, I have to bring it all over this area. So the minute the bleach touches those ends gonna fall off. So if we're gonna go towards something where the density of the balayage as a lightness and as a quantity, it's kind of visible for you to feel a change. Anything old, it has to be gone so I can build it properly on whatever left hair.
Okay.
So, which means your haircut will go slightly shorter.
Okay, that makes sense.
Now, the front, you do have this strong curve toward your face, and you do have a small forehead, and the hair is quite thick over here, which means any attempt to go any short, it will not fall this way. It will never fall this way.
Okay.
It's gonna do whatever the roots are telling it to do, and because of the bulkiness of the front, it's gonna just fall like that, hit your eyes day and night, and you're gonna hate it. So we need to keep the hair quite long enough, so after the roots, after the hair natural texture do its thing here, you still have enough length to twist it away from your face.
Okay.
Which means we cannot go anything shorter than this.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, but I think this is quite nice length. When I combine it with whatever layers I'm going to do on the top and through the lens, it's going to be a good balance.
It'll add some shape.
Yeah, it will add some shape for sure.
Okay.
Look at the side. The other side, yes. Okay. Let me give you the breakdown of the price, then we can start right away.
Okay.
Have a seat, please. I wasn't expecting it's gonna go this light, but I guess it's your lucky day.
It looks perfect.
Is it light enough for you?
Yes, I love it, yeah.
I know we didn't do the treatment today. This is something you should come back and do it. Because you do have a beautiful thick hair. And the problem is even a little bit of dryness in thick hair, it accumulates over everywhere and becomes a bit of challenging. So whenever you have the chance, come back for that.
This is after childbirth too. I used to have more.
Also, please do more.
Yeah, I lost like half of it after giving birth.
Keep your head looking down, Dad. Yes, perfect. What? Amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you. You look great.